Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by reproducing the issue so you know what to fix and why. Make sure to record the exact steps and error messages. Back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer, because once you change settings, you may need to restore. Next, force quit the problematic app and relaunch it to clear transient states. This separates persistent bugs from temporary glitches. If the problem reappears, note timestamps and any network conditions, and then move to targeted resets and updates. Once done with backups and reproduction notes, update iOS and the app because many bugs are fixed in patches. Install them and retest. If the bug persists, reset network settings or clear app preferences to remove corrupted configurations without erasing your entire device. You can also offload or delete and reinstall the app to refresh its data. This addresses cache or database corruption. After each change, reproduce the issue again to confirm progress and isolate which action resolved the fault. To finish, if targeted fixes failed, consider restoring the device from your backup as a last resort. This resets system state while preserving data. Make sure to collect diagnostics, console logs, crash reports, and a quick screen recording so you can show exactly what happens. When contacting the app developer or Apple support, provide reproduction steps, iOS version, device model, and those logs for faster resolution. If nothing works, try the same sequence on another device to confirm whether it is device-specific.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.